Hey guys, it's today Sunday and we are on our way to, we're about to leave in a few minutes and head over to Atlanta Aquarium. From where I am, it's about 3.5-hour drive. So yeah, so we will be spending the day in Atlanta. We're coming back later on tonight. So depending upon how traffic is, hopefully we'll get back here between 10 and 11 o'clock. So anyway, I'll catch you guys at the aquarium and I'll show you guys a little bit of footage while we're there. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, we are at the aquarium. It doesn't matter. Atlanta, and they are officially sold out.
I just dropped my phone.
I know you did.
It was on accident.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to probably go and get something to eat. Deshaun, you had fun?
Yes, but my shoes are making me sore.
His shoes are making him sore. His feet hurt.
Maybe I need to wear some old shoes. Maybe not.
No, because the thing is, you don't wear them shoes, you don't don't go nowhere. So now you put them on, and your feet then probably outgrew them. That's probably what happened. Because you don't go nowhere. So your feet outgrew them. They're brand new, and that's the second time you're wearing them. Yes. Officially going and get something to eat. We gotta go back into what? The parking garage, ain't it? Yep. Go levels on number 7?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Can I play Talking Coca-Cola on your phone?
And who's driving? You driving now, huh? Bingo. I drove coming, and let me tell you guys, I was getting. I was getting. Baby, talk about. Baby, slow down. I was doing about 105. No more, baby, slow down. I know the roads, and I'm very careful when I drive. So my baby needs to slow down. Got here in about 3 hours. And usually to get to Atlanta, it takes about 3 hours, 45 minutes, or 4 hours. No, it usually take about, and plus you bump into traffic, so it usually take about 3.5, 4 hours. Anyway, we're about to leave out of here and get something to eat.